Hi, and welcome to my first box break. This is an Epix hobby box. There is a total of 4 autograph or memorabilia cards per box. And let's get started. Thanks for participating in my first box break. Hopefully I'll have many more after this one. Okay, we have Brandon Jacobs for the Giants, Chad Ochocinco for the Bengals, Rashard Mendenhall for the Steelers, Aaron Rodgers for the Packers. Filler card. We have a Josh Cribbs for the Cleveland Browns. It's a not numbered. Lee Evans for the Bills. Mark Sanchez for the Jets. Jason Witten for the Cowboys. We have Wes Welker for the Patriots. Jay Cutler for the Bears. Kevin Cobb for the Eagles. We have a Spellbound Andre Johnson, not numbered. Have a Rush Hour. That is Cadillac Williams for the Buccaneers. Frank Gore for the 49ers. Steve Slayton for the Texans. Vince Young for the Titans. Sorry, I'm moving a little slow. I'm honestly a bit nervous. This is my first break. This is ridiculous.
Oh, it's so shaky. Okay, that's just cheating.
Kyle Orton for the Broncos. Looks like the Dolphins are going to pick him up, though. TJ Hushmandata for the Seahawks. Maurice Jones-Drew for the Jaguars. Matt Ryan for the Falcons. Hold on a second. We have Brett Favre for the Vikings. Have a D'Angelo Williams for the Panthers, Darren McFadden for the Raiders, Matt Ryan for the Falcons, and it looks like a Roger Staubach for the Cowboys. And that's a very nice Letterman card. It's 10 out of 50. It's nice. Sergio Kindle for the Ravens. A very nice little hit. Look at this. We have a Pierre Thomas for the Saints, Cedric Benson for the Bengals, Hines Ward for the Steelers. We have another hit. It's an autograph rookie, Patrick Robinson for the Saints. And that is 191 out of 499. Michael Turner Epix for the Atlanta Falcons, not numbered. Austin Miles for the Cowboys. Brandon Marshall for the Dolphins. Ray Rice for the Ravens. Again, sorry about my poor ability to do this. We have a Donovan McNabb for the Redskins, Tom Brady for the Patriots, Devin Hester for the Bears, Deshaun Jackson for the Eagles, filler card. Have a Jeremy Williams for the Chargers, LaDainian Tomlinson for the Jets, Felix Jones for the Cowboys, and Vincent Jackson for the Chargers. No holdout this year. We have a no-shown Moreno for the Broncos, Matt Hasselbeck for the Seahawks, David Garrard for the Jaguars. We have a rookie, Sergio Kindle, 178 out of 250. We have another rookie, Aaron Hernandez for the Patriots, 44 out of 50, so that's a nice low-numbered rookie card there. Matt Schaub for the Texans, Kenny Britt for the Titans, Adrian Peterson for the Vikings. This is a Matt Leinart for the Cardinals, Marcus Colston for the Saints, Carson Palmer for the Bengals, Joseph Adai for the Colts. Have a Heath Miller, Pittsburgh Steelers, Ryan Fitzpatrick for the Bills, Sean Green for the Jets, and Cadillac Williams for the Buccaneers. Oh, got that one. All right. Okay. Clinton Portis for the Redskins, Randy Moss for the Patriots, Steve Smith for the Panthers, Louis Murphy for the Raiders, filler card, Amari Spivey, rookie for the Lions, Matt Castle for the Chiefs, Joe Flacco for the Ravens, Braylon Edwards for the Jets. Looks like we got another hit. Probably gave it away there. Let's see. Kyle Wilson for the Jets. Mohamed Massaquoi for the Browns. Phillip Rivers for the Chargers. Andre Johnson for the Texans. Eddie Royal for the Broncos. Julius Jones for the Seahawks. Reggie Wayne for the Colts. Larry Fitzgerald for the Cardinals, and it looks like we have a rookie campaign Des Bryant autographed jersey card, 14 out of 100. That's 3 hits so far for the Cowboys. It was a nice little hit. And we're going to take a break, and we're going to come back and do the other half of the packs here. All right.